Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're finishing up this job. It's a nice, cool fall evening. It gets dark early here in the fall, so it's already starting to get pretty dark. Earlier, I washed this particular little outbuilding, got it called the mold and mildew killed, and I happened to notice the stains right underneath the planters. Those are just stains from the dirt when people wash water the plants, and it would just kind of run down and leave a stain. I've got some special stuff for that we're gonna work on, and we're gonna show you how there's a chemical for each particular problem or situation you run into, and just something different to tackle it with. Here, watch this. And there you go, just like magic, it just rubs it on and let it sit a couple of minutes, rinse it off, and it'll be gone. Here, let me do a little scan here so you can look at it a little closer. After, before, you can see the yellow before. I'm going to finish taking off the other areas so it looks good, and then get a couple of pictures. And there you go. Early, I'm going to run and wash my hands. I wish should be using gloves with this, but I didn't have any on me today, so I'm going to run and wash my hands. I'd like to thank the makers of this particular product, Craig Harrison. He does an awesome job at making products that are mild enough that you can use them with your hands. Not recommended, but you can. But good enough that it does that. Here, as you can tell, in just a few seconds, all those stains from fertilizer and from the dirt is just gone. And that's what's caused those stains down there. Look at that. Ah, just beautifully gone. Looks good. This is Tim Moore with TLC Pressure Washing. If you have these kind of stains on your home, some rust stains around where you set stuff, we can work on those too. Click the link in the description box to get a hold of us at 615-405-8731. You have a fantastic Thanksgiving.